Presenting the Pink Twilight, a fairy tale which is brought to life, a whisper of magic in motion, and the sweetest chapter of tonight's show. Yes, give it up for Pink Twilight, ladies and gentlemen.
game. 내 넌 game. Game start.
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real red hearts that's what I'm on yeah come give me something I can feel don't you want me like I want you baby don't you need me like I need you now see tomorrow but tonight go crazy all you gotta do is just meet me at the
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our very creative designer, Sonal Vyas. And the male dress is designed by Sadhguru Lifestyle. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. Also, the eyewear, the specs worn by all the children are from Mona Opticals. So let us all thank Mona Opticals for the beautiful specs that elevated the look. Ladies and gentlemen, time to take a moment and invite the sponsor of Mona Opticals and Gallery, Mr. Dipesh Tavrani, on the stage. Also, time to invite our valuable sponsor, Miss Bhakti from Bhatu's Nail Studio, on the stage, Miss Bhakti Ankit Popat. Ladies and gentlemen, from Bhatu's Nail Studio, Miss Bhakti Ankit Popat. Give it up for her, everybody.
And so cynical. If there's love in this life, we're unstoppable. No, we can't be defeated. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
Thank you so much, all the sponsors, all the participants, all the models, and of course to our audience who have been sitting patiently and watching beautifully.